Listen up, culinary daredevils. India's not just a country, it's a flavor explosion waiting to be explored. We're talking 29 states, each with a signature dish so unique it'll make your taste buds beg for mercy. From the fiery curries of the south to the rich, buttery delights of the north, we're about to embark on a culinary journey that'll leave you stuffed. Get ready to tantalize your senses as we dive into Indian cuisine. We're talking melt-in-your-mouth curries, perfectly spiced biryanis, and street food that'll knock your socks off. This is the ultimate Indian food tour. And trust me, you don't want to miss a bite. Right off the bat, we're hitting you with Rogan Josh. This Kashmiri lamb curry is a symphony of flavors. Saffron, cardamom, cloves, all simmered to perfection. The lamb, so tender it falls apart with a touch, will have you licking the plate clean. A dish fit for royalty, and you better believe it's worth every single bite. Enjoy! Next up, we're heading to the hills of Himachal Pradesh for a taste of dum. This traditional feast celebrates local flavors: lentil stews, tangy chutneys, and fluffy rice. It's the kind of food that warms you from the inside out, perfect after a long day exploring the mountains. Let's talk about the king of curries, butter chicken. This Punjabi classic is a creamy tomato-based dream. The chicken, marinated to perfection, is cooked in a tandoor oven and bathed in rich buttery gravy. One bite and you'll understand why this dish is a global phenomenon. From the land of lush fields and hearty flavors, we bring you bute ka keez. This dish is made with grated corn, cooked with spices and milk until creamy. Don't underestimate this humble dish. It's perfect comfort food for a cold evening or a light lunch. Get ready for a flavor explosion with aloo ke gutka, a dish that will tantalize your taste buds. This Uttarakhand specialty is a dry potato curry that's bursting with spices and rich flavors. Cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala all come together to create a dish that's both bold and comforting. This isn't your average potato dish, it's a culinary delight. Serve it with roti or rice and prepare to be amazed by its unique taste. Hold on tight, we're diving into melt-in-your-mouth kebabs. Tunde kebabi from Lucknow is legendary. Made with minced meat and secret spices, these kebabs dissolve on your tongue. Juicy, flavorful, and utterly irresistible. Prepare for a royal feast with dal bati churma. This Rajasthani classic is a trio of deliciousness: spicy dal, crispy bati, and sweet churma. A culinary adventure in every bite. Let's lighten things up with a trip to Gujarat for some dokla. These steamed, fermented rice and lentil cakes are light, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. Don't let the healthy aspect fool you. These are seriously addictive and delicious. Start your day the Madhya Pradesh way with a plate of poha. This flattened rice dish is light, flavorful, and versatile. It can be sweet or savory, perfect for breakfast or brunch. Poha is packed with flavor and fuels you for a day of adventure. Get ready to get your hands dirty with litti chokha. These baked wheat balls are stuffed with spicy sattu and served with roasted eggplant and tomato chokha. It's rustic, it's earthy, and oh, it's delicious. The smoky flavor of the litti combined with tangy chokha is a match made in culinary heaven. Time for something sweet. The kua, a crispy, deep-fried treat from Jharkhand, is perfect for your sweet tooth. Made with wheat flour, jaggery, and spices, these crunchy, sweet delights are utterly addictive. Get ready for a taste of pure indulgence with rosagola, a Bengali delight. These iconic Bengali sweets are made from fresh chenna or cheese curds and dipped in a light sugar syrup. They're soft, spongy, and melt-in-your-mouth delicious. One bite of these and you'll understand why they're a national treasure in India. Cool down with Odisha's pakala bata. This fermented rice dish is light, refreshing, and perfect for a hot day. Often served with roasted vegetables or fried fish, it adds flavor to every bite. Pakala bata is delicious and good for your gut. Discover Chhattisgarh's Chana Samosa, crispy pastries filled with spicy chickpeas. Forget potato samosas. These are a game changer. Experience the ultimate street food with Maharashtra's vada pav. This iconic dish features a deep-fried potato patty, or vada, in a soft bun, known as pav, with spicy chutney. It's messy, flavorful, and the perfect on-the-go meal. Let's head to the coast for Goa's famous fish curry. This tangy, spicy curry is made with fresh fish, coconut milk, and aromatic spices. The combination of fresh fish, tamarind, and coconut milk is pure magic. Prepare yourself for a flavor explosion with Karnataka's bisi bele bath. This spicy lentil and vegetable rice dish is packed with flavor and will leave you feeling satisfied. It's surprisingly easy to make and is the perfect one-pot meal for any occasion. Experience Kerala's culinary delights with appam and stew. These fluffy rice pancakes pair perfectly with a flavorful vegetable or meat stew. This dish transports you straight to the backwaters of Kerala. Let's celebrate with a taste of Tamil Nadu's Pongal. This delicious sweet rice dish is made with jaggery, cashew nuts, and raisins, and is traditionally prepared during the harvest festival. Start your day the Andhra way with pesarattu. These savory crepes made with green gram batter are often served with chutney or upma. Get ready for a royal feast with Telangana's Hyderabadi biryani. This aromatic dish is made with layers of marinated meat, saffron-infused rice, and spices that transport you to Hyderabad. Hyderabadi biryani demands your attention and leaves you wanting more. Let's spice things up with Assam's Assam laksa. This sour and spicy fish stew blends herbs, spices, and fermented fish. Assam laksa is a culinary adventure that will challenge your taste buds. Warm up with Arunachal Pradesh's thupa. This hearty noodle soup with vegetables, meat, and flavorful broth is perfect comfort food for a cold day. Thupa reminds us that simple dishes can be the most satisfying. Get ready for a taste of Naga cuisine with Nagaland's smoked pork. This dish features pork smoked over an open fire, giving it a unique flavor. Smoked pork showcases the Naga people's mastery of meat preservation and cooking. Let's explore the flavors of Manipur with Iramba. This dish is made with fermented fish, vegetables, and a blend of herbs and spices, and is a staple of Manipuri cuisine. It's pungent, flavorful, and an acquired taste. Iramba is not for everyone, but those who enjoy bold flavors will appreciate its unique taste. Get ready for a taste of miso cuisine with bai. This simple yet flavorful dish is made with boiled vegetables and herbs, often served with rice. It's healthy, flavorful, and shows you don't need many ingredients for a delicious meal. Bai is a testament to the miso people's resourcefulness and love for fresh ingredients. Let's explore the flavors of Tripura with moi borok. This unique dish is made with fermented bamboo shoots, pork, and a blend of herbs and spices. It's sour, it's spicy, it's an explosion of flavors. Moi borok is not for the faint of heart, but those who enjoy bold flavors will appreciate its unique taste. Get ready for a taste of Meghalaya with Jado. This flavorful dish is made with red rice, pork, and a blend of spices, a staple of Khasi cuisine. It's aromatic, flavorful, and a comforting meal. Jado shows that simple dishes can be the most delicious. Let's end our culinary journey with Sikkim's Phagshapa. This hearty stew is made with pork fat, radish, and spices, and is a staple of Sikkimese cuisine. It's rich, flavorful, and perfect to warm up on a cold day. Phagshapa shows that every part of the animal can be used to create something delicious. There you have it, you culinary gladiators, a whirlwind tour of India's iconic dishes. From the Himalayas to the coasts, we've explored the diverse world of Indian cuisine. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. India's culinary landscape is vast and ever-evolving. Tell me, which dish has got your stomach rumbling? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite Indian food. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!